Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you want to look on and find how you can like fix the issue, and you want to fix the issue with the Garmin Venu 2 heart rate monitor not working. So this time I found already is that what you can try to do. Have you tried resetting the watch? Go to settings, systems, and reset, and delete data and reset. It's a factory reset in a sense. If the reset doesn't work, you could try forcing the latest update, possible beta on the watch through the Garmin Express or by following the instructions on the Garmin forums. And what you can do if the reset is not going to work out, what you can try to do is that you can also write to the support, and maybe they're going to help you. So try to just like reset it, the Garmin Venu 2, and you can also check for the forums. And I just want to guide you to the things that you can actually do to fix the issue. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.